The security detail at hand is that the deep state and security apparatus have now formally advised Emerson Mnangagwa to resign peacefully and avoid the public humiliation that would come with any attempted resistance, a development that shook him to the core. Sanabela mashuka tunapana mtukamiri wenyika Zimbabwe once aiwa vakomana very close to him vano vakomana state security panguva ino voadvisa mutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa achingobvuma kungoresigna zviri peaceful pasina kana hondo kuti aiwa transition yacho zvingofamba mune zvakanaka. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipenda pano paInternational Cables Network vanoendera mberi vachiti Mnangagwa since communicated the message to his family and his closest allies who have been the loudest in pushing for constitutional amendment to enable him to be in power up to 2033. His sons are understood to be now preparing to leave Zimbabwe before his exit. The latest development triggered by pressures by the respected Geza-led contingent of senior war veterans have rattled the entire dynasty cabal, whose prepaid lapdogs and functionaries have started going quiet, with the reality kicking in and fast. Many ZANU-PF senior members are reported to be now stampeding for accommodation in the Chwenga faction. Led by Geza, war veterans and deep state power brokers are now waiting for feedback on when Mnangagwa will be tendering his resignation. Failure to comply with the directive will lead to an ultimatum being given, which will then be followed by the opening of mass protest floodgates on the streets. Thomas Wanudanyuka panapa mbepa naure International Cables Network vachiti aiwa vakomana vari close aiwa vestate kumusoro uko state security voya panapa vachiadvise the leader kuti aiwa arizene aiwa zviri peaceful zvichakanaka. Noda kwekuti panapa tinoona kuti aiwa his sons vamwe vakomana vakutouya vachitopeka mabhegi vachitanga kurova pasi vasati arizina. Zvitakuona kuti nevamwewo panguva inoyi vachiona matables achitena, vamwewo vakutodzokawo kuna general vachitsvaka maseats. Zviri kuonekwa panguva ino kuti aiwa panapa vakomana havasina power and havasina kana say, matables atena and then their plan is failed. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.